Yeah, handheld phone, I knew it because of the slow start. I can see him swiping away with his left thumb. I can see the phone bouncing, which tells me that it is not mounted. Kilo Tango 73 Whiskey November X-ray. Yeah, I can see the screen is lit up. Oh. I'm staying next to him because you never know what he's going to do next. I will be reporting that to the Met, so if they choose to prosecute you, they'll send you a letter within the next 2 weeks. Carry on.
I just lost my mother.
Well, I'm sorry, you can have that debate with them. And I'm afraid I just don't believe that, because everybody comes out with all these claims. My brother died, my father died, my mother died, my mom's got cancer. So you still should not be texting, and that didn't look anything like anything urgent. Just looked like constant amount of scrolling there.